think we've had enough of fake YouTube growth tips. People telling us how to get more views on YouTube when we know that the pattern and the things they're telling us to do isn't working. It's time that we open our eyes and realize that these people are lying to us and they're just doing it just to get their own views. A lot of people are giving up a lot of tips that even them themselves don't do. They don't even know how to get views. That's the truth. They just happen to be getting it. And the fact that a lot of people are in demand, they end up getting the views, and that's just how it happens. But wait, I'm going to prove to you that most of these things that all these growth analysts tell us are lies. I grew tired of all the lies that they're giving, so I went into research, and guess what? See what I found.
This trick will get you more views. Oh, the last one didn't, so swipe out. Escape. Oh, please just swipe out. Let's do this. So someone posted how to drink water. His name is Willix, and he got 100k views in 2 weeks. Amazing, right? And not viral, but amazing. But let's search it out. How to drink water. Let's see what the outcome is going to be. You can see the massive view, like 3.7. Wow. Let's see her content. Let's see what she offered.
Hello! Welcome to my channel. For this vlog, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano uminom ng tubig. First, kailangan nyo ng drinking glass, pati ng tubig. Siyempre tubig. So, yun. First step is, kailangan nyo kunin yung drinking glass. Then, mag-pour kayo ng water. Bago kayo uminom, kailangan nyo mag-relax. Inhale, exhale. Tapos, ito. Mahalaga ang bibig sa pag-inom ng tubig.
But seriously, what was she expecting? That it will bite the cup or chew it or what? I don't really get it, because I'm sure everybody knows how to drink water. So what's all the views about at the end of the day? Curiosity. So I then decided to search for another, and then I saw one with 52 million views.
Never been open.
Guess what he did? Watch it. Quite annoying, to be honest. But yeah, he got his views, and that's what matters. At the end of the day, my opinion wouldn't change a thing. What matters most is he got 52 million views, and I think you should stop wondering what's going on and start just doing what you love and what your subscribers love too. That's all that matters. Until next time, forget about YouTube growth tips.